Americano? That's really good coffee.
Choco
Cocoa
vanilla.
vanilla.
Cafe vanilla. So you guys having trouble with the vending machine over here. You want to use the card?
Yes, I don't know. What are you giving me?
I know it's hard. The quarters in something.
I know.
Get the card. Get the card from Angie when she's done. Transaction fee for finishing.
Okay. Okay. Signature. Okay. You like that.
Now the good stuff we can do here
Card
in the
not right.
vending machine.
You know what?
Goodness.
Oh.
Excuse me, help her out, please.
Oh. Hold on. It's saying card accepted.
Oh, it is? Oh, I didn't see it.
You get charged $10 for a bag of chips. You spent $100 on a vending machine. What the hell?
Oh my god, this smells so good.
Good smell. Smell it, guys.
Smells so good.
Oh my god, that smells really good.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh,
it actually
that's good
tastes
stuff.
like hot chocolate.
Nice.
It's fucking hot.